Back at it, man. There he is. Look at this motherfucker. Back at it, man. Yo! We're just trying to get some lanes at a fucking bowling alley. This lady sounds fucking sour and shit.
Bitch, bro. She's certified Karen, bro.
Certified Karen. For the hit her with that lightsaber. It was like...
Death. Hello?
I have some right now.
Perfect. We will be on our way.
Let's go.
All right. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Let's go. So I guess I got some lanes open for us, so we're gonna go ahead and fucking go bowling today, baby. Let's get it. But first, before we go bowling, you already know what we gotta do. And we made it to our motherfucking destination, fellas. We are out here in motherfucking P-Town, you feel me?
Yes,
About to go to fucking Sea Bowl right in the back of us. Let's have a great time, man. But first, you know what we gotta do, boys. Alright, boys. Beautiful fucking day. Once again, you feel me? In beautiful California. Let's take a look at this view real quick, bro. Fuck up to see you guys. Cheers, fellas. I just want to say, boys, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to chase your passion. Don't be afraid to do what you want to do in life. Don't be afraid of what people say about you, man. Because at the end of the day, you're gonna get over it. Everything is temporary. Don't hold on to too many things, man. Don't be afraid to let go. Just live life. Cheers, fellas. Damn, that shit's sick as fuck. Not gonna lie. Oh shit! That's where we're going though, the motherfucking bowl right there, man.
I'm gonna kick all they asses.
Got the boys on. Yes, sir. It's just a vibe out here, man. It's just a vibe. On a Thursday fucking night, Thursday evening.
It's a fucking vibe out here, bro. Everybody out here wild, dude.
Let's get it, man. I love it though. I love it.
See the cars all red like this was death row. Keep it gangsta, never singing that. All you did was Givenchy focus, I ran up on her. Beginning with the deep,
So it turns out they're gonna be closing this fucking bowling alley soon, bro.
Yeah, the owners are retired.
This place has been around for a while. This place has been around since we were kids, bro. Shit.
I had a birthday party up in here, bro. We got bowling pins, bro. We got them signed by like all our friends in elementary school, bro. Yeah, what he said.
But I never had a birthday party here. But shit.
Nah, but it's lit, bro. This
It's sad.
Been around forever, bro. It's closing, like
It's
you
closing.
said. So we gotta go back one last time.
When is it closed?
One last time. I have no idea.
Oh shit.
I'm
soon,
pretty sure
though.
like this year.
Man, this year? Fuck. Hey, good closing party though. Good little closing out.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of come up, light one up. R.I.P.
And we are just almost about done with this joint. Right after this joint, we're gonna go get some strikes, baby. Let's get it. Woo! Last couple hits of the joint, it's just about out. And then we're heading inside, man. Cheers, boys.
Don't go in my room.
We fucking made it. Oh fucking yeah, man. gotta get the 512, man. Your boy got the lemon pepper steppers on. Before we bowl, we gotta get some beers, you know, you feel me? Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. So I fucked up the spare, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh. Okay, oh, okay.
Man,
Damn.
they ain't got a big enough thumb hole, bro. My thumb too big.
Oh, yeah. Damn, what the fuck? You guys on a roll. So we just got a double strike, man. That's all up to this guy right here. Hey, you better make it, bro. Boy, guttered. Oh yeah. Also, my boy Jordan got a turkey though. We're gonna see if this man can get another strike going. We all fucking up. Not gonna lie, I'm fucking up right now, boys. I am fucking up. See if we can get this spare though. 2 pins right up the middle. So I'm in last place right now. I just gotta catch up to Nico though, and I'll be all right, bro. He's fucking up right now. He's fucking up right now. So hopefully he keeps fucking up. We'll see.
I'm fucking the weird spins, bro. I get 1 pin, spare. No pin, spare. 1 pin, spare.
What the fuck? Damn. But anyways, why am I so bad at bowling, bro? Man's got a strike, okay.
I sat here, I listened to these balls for a couple seconds, and I asked him, I said, which one's gonna be a strike? Purple one says strike. You roll up, strike.
Round two, round two.
Let's close this game, bro.
Oh yeah, let's close this game, buddy! Let's see if you can get this spare though. And he whipped it. We're neck and neck, Jordan. Let's see if this guy can get the lead though. Almost tied, almost tied. This game's going a lot better, man. I'm not falling behind as much, but shit, hopefully I don't. Look at this dude. You already know you gotta get the eats though. You gotta get the good eats. Yes, sir. Oh! So this guy wasn't lying, man. This guy wasn't lying. This guy's killing it. You won both of them, right?
2 games.
We played 2 games so far. He won both of them. Motherfucker.
First game, 128. Second game, 132. Let's run it.
I'm gonna lie to you. These fries hitting right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of picking up now. I'm kind of picking up a little bit.
We hit 9, bro.
Not gonna lie, I'm gonna need a little pick me up. So I was playing the game. This guy's not doing what he said he would. This guy's not doing too well. I'm not gonna lie to you. What happened, Nico?
You know, I ain't gonna cap. You gotta let the boys do good in the 3rd game. 4th game, you know what I mean?
Nah, it's like the first game. What are you talking about? Thank you, sir. So that's gonna be it for bowling, guys. Shit. I'm not gonna lie to that.
Clutch 1 through 3. Let's go. What did I say, baby? We coming to destroy today.
But now, we're about to go smoke another little wood. Ooh. Got a nice little night walk though. Shit. Oh, they got a Prime? I'm gonna have to get a Prime. I'm gonna try one of these.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, you know how to get the little bevy going, you feel me? Never tried Prime though,
We about to try Prime. Let's get it.
Yeah, go and try that out real quick. This one tastes like actually like the popsicle pro.
That's crazy. This shit got hella flavor.
The blue raspberry? Oh, yep.
Tastes like a brisk.
Really fucking sweet though, really fucking sweet. I don't know if it's good for you, but hey, fuck it.
Bro, I'll never forget. There was this one time, I forget what year it was, but fucking the ocean had some special algae in it, and when the waves were coming in, they were fucking glowing like neon green, bro.
What?
Shit I've never seen in my life.
What? I know they do neon blue in some countries. We were literally just up there where that sign is. Now we're all the way down here. Better light up the motherfucking wood by the motherfucking sea. Boys, this is fucking amazing. Cheers, fellas. Cheers, boys. Don't forget to appreciate life, man. Don't forget to find the greatness in little things. Don't forget to always be yourself. And don't forget to just let go. Let go of life, man. It's not that serious, bro. It's really not that serious.
But it's not the same rock.
He had a rock, but
I did a rock.
it's a great night. Beautiful night, man. Great weather. The boys
It's
dropped
okay.
the blunt. He almost dropped it in the water, bro. Fuck.
Do you hold me?